Welcome to my channel everyone. Today I'll show how can you started streaming anything like game, movie, etc. on Facebook or other streaming platform. If you want to learn welly, then don't skip, so let's jump on it without wasting time. So firstly open your browser and search OBS because we'll use the software for our work. Click on the download link and download as your required operating system and install it. I am using Windows, that's why I'll download the Windows system OBS. I already installed it. The interface of OBS look like this. Now I am creating a scene in OBS and soon I'll upload a video for beginners how to use OBS and by explaining all the tools of it. Now click on the setting and an interface will pop up like this. After that click on stream option for streaming setting. After that go to the streaming platform where you want to stream, for stream key. I am showing you with Facebook. Now log into your Facebook account and go to this link. After that scroll down and copy the stream key pressing Ctrl and V, and on Mac Command and V. Don't show your stream key with anyone, because anyone can stream anything with this on your channel. Now go to OBS and change your service to Facebook. You can change the service, it depends where you going to stream. Now paste the stream key which you copied, by pressing Ctrl and C and Mac Command and C. Now you can start streaming by clicking on the Start Streaming button. Now I am showing how can you find the YouTube stream key for streaming. First go to Creator Studio, and then follow every step. Now do what I do in the previous for streaming in Facebook. Follow every step. And again I am saying that don't show your stream key to anyone. They can start streaming with this on your channel. Now apply for save the setting. I will upload this kind of content every weekend. And soon I will make a video by explaining OBS. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for get notified. If you have any question then ask me in comment. Till then bye. See you in next video.